In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Monday.com. Now, whether you're new to the platform or just looking to enhance your project management skills, this guide will walk you through the entire process. So let's dive in and make this as simple as possible. First things first, you need to navigate to Monday.com. This is your starting point. Once you're on the website, look for the login button. It should be prominently displayed. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to choose from various login options. For ease of access, we recommend logging in through Google. This allows you to use your Google account credentials, making the process quick and seamless. After logging in, turn your attention to the left panel on the dashboard. Here you'll find numerous options, but what you're looking for is the plus icon, which allows you to add a new element. Click on this icon to bring up the options menu and then choose Form. This is the feature you'll be using to create your form. Once you've selected form, you'll see a next arrow appear. Click on this to proceed further. Now you'll be given the option to start with a template. Templates are a fantastic way to streamline your work as they provide you with a pre-designed structure that you can customize according to your needs. Select Start with Template, and you'll be presented with a variety of templated forms. Browse these options to find a template that best suits your project's requirements. After choosing your template, click on Use Template to begin the customization process. This is where you can really make the form your own. To modify the template to fit your specific needs, click on Edit Form. This will allow you to adjust the fields and structure as needed. Editing is done by dragging and dropping elements, adding new file types, and changing settings to suit your project's needs. Next, you have three key areas to focus on: Edit, Design, and Settings. The Edit tab allows you to modify the content, ensuring all necessary information is captured in your form. Once you're satisfied with the content, click on the Design tab to start customizing the look of your form. Design customization ensures your form aligns with your brand or project theme. Don't overlook this step, as visual appeal can significantly impact how users interact with your form. Finally, move on to the Settings tab to adjust any additional configurations such as notifications or permissions. This step ensures your form works exactly how you need it to. Once you've completed the customizations, it's time to share your form. Simply click on Share Form to get a shareable link or embed code. This allows others to access and submit responses to your form, making collaboration straightforward. And there you have it. You've successfully created a form in Monday.com. With these steps, you've harnessed a powerful tool for collecting data and streamlining your workflow. Thank you for watching, and happy form building.